हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट स्टडी। आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ एन इकोनॉमी एंड देयर सॉल्यूशंस। हर इकोनॉमी, बी इट अ रिच, पुअर, डेवलप्ड और अंडर डेवलप्ड, एवरी इकोनॉमी फेसेस 3 सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम्स। हर इकोनॉमी 3 सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करती है, दैट इज़ व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस एंड फॉर होम टू प्रोड्यूस। हम इन तीनों टॉपिक्स को, हम तीनों प्रॉब्लम्स को डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे, बट उससे पहले हम ये जानते हैं कि ये तीनों प्रॉब्लम्स अराइज होती ही क्यों हैं। फर्स्ट, रिसोर्सेज आर स्केर्स एंड रिसोर्सेज हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव यूजेस। सो व्हाई डू सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम अराइज? रिसोर्सेज हमारी इकोनॉमी के अंदर स्केर्स हैं, लिमिटेड हैं, उनकी कमी है, वो कभी ना कभी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। दैट्स वाई देयर इज़ अ फर्स्ट रीज़न दैट resources are scarce. And second is resources have alternative uses. मतलब अगर आज मेरे पास एक लैंड है और उसके ऊपर मैं अगर सिर्फ राइस ग्रो कर सकती हूँ, प्रोड्यूस कर सकती हूँ, देन देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम और नो इशू। बट अगर वही लैंड पे, उसी लैंड पे, सेम लैंड पे मैं fruits, different types of fruits, different types of vegetables, rice, wheat, बाजरा, मेज़, कुछ भी ग्रो कर सकती हूँ, then there is a problem. Then that problem is known as problem of choice. मतलब मैं उन सारे ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा ऑप्शन चूज करूँ दैट इज़ बेस्ट फॉर मी, दैट इज़ बेस्ट अवेलेबल फॉर मी. So that is the problem of choice. Therefore, economy faces central problems because of these two reasons. Now, what to produce? It has two components: what goods are to be produced and in what quantities goods are to be produced. इकोनॉमी कौन से गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करेगी और कितनी क्वांटिटी में. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गुड्स आर टू बी प्रोड्यूस इंक्लूड कैपिटल गुड्स और कंज्यूमर गुड्स. कैपिटल गुड्स वो गुड्स हैं जो फर्दर कंज्यूमर गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने में काम में आते हैं, और कंज्यूमर गुड्स वो गुड्स हैं विच आर डायरेक्टली कंज्यूमेबल, जो कंज्यूमर्स डायरेक्टली कंज्यूम करते हैं, उन्हें फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग और फर्दर प्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, अगर इकोनॉमी कंज्यूमर गुड्स ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगी, देन द प्रेजेंट जनरेशन विल एन्जॉय गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, बट you have to sacrifice the future generations, the quality of goods produced for future generations. So therefore, this problem give rise to another problem, that is in what quantity goods are to be produced. That is, the loss of quantity of capital goods is the cost of producing more of goods, consumer goods, and vice versa. It means we have to shift resources from one use to another. अगर हम capital goods ज़्यादा produce करते हैं, then we have to sacrifice consumer goods, and if we produce more consumer goods, then we have to sacrifice capital goods. So that concept is known as opportunity cost. Now, second is how to produce. How to produce refers to the technique of production. How to produce में हम बात करेंगे कि इकोनॉमी कौन सी टेक्निक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को यूज़ करेगी. There are two types of techniques of production, that is labor intensive and capital intensive. लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक वो टेक्निक होती है जो कि ज़्यादा एम्फेसाइज करती है लेबर पे दैन द कैपिटल, ज़्यादा लेबर यूज़ करती है दैन द कैपिटल. कैपिटल मीन्स मशीन, सिंपल. एंड कैपिटल इंटेंसिव टेक्निक वो टेक्निक्स होती है दैट गिव्स ग्रेटर एम्फेसाइज ऑन द कैपिटल दैन द लेबर. मतलब वो कैपिटल ज़्यादा यूज़ करती है, दैट इज़ मशीन्स एक्सेट्रा, दैन द लेबर. Capital intensive techniques always promotes efficiency. It promotes efficiency and accelerates the pace of growth. Capital intensive techniques से GDP इकोनॉमी की GDP ग्रोथ इंक्रीज होगी, बट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भी इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक से efficiency will not be increased. There is a reduction of efficiency, but it promotes employment. So there is a choice between employment and the GDP growth. Now, next problem is for whom to produce. Economy broadly has two sections of the society, that is rich section and the poor section. Because there is limited resources, economy cannot produce goods for all the section of the society. If more goods are to be produced for the poor, then obviously social justice would be promoted, but this would reduce the GDP growth. Social justice would reduce the inequality, or you can say promote equality, but it will definitely reduce the GDP growth of the economy. Okay, so if we produce more goods for the poor section, social justice would be promoted, profits of producers would remain low, there will be low investment, and there's low GDP growth, and hence economy will remain backward for long time to come. So there is a problem of choice between the social equality or GDP growth. Now, after watching the problems of the economy, central problems of the economy, we will now come to solutions to the problems. Different countries solve central problems differently. So first, there is a type of economy, market economy or free economy. It means that producers are free to decide what, how and for whom to produce. जो भी decision लेना होगा, that will be taken by the producers. There is no government control or no central authority will take decisions about these questions. Now, what to produce? The producer will produce those goods which offer them high profit. The sole motive of the producer will be profit. How the goods will be produced? The producer will always use the technology which maximizes efficiency and maximizes the cost, which will benefit the producer obviously. For whom to produce? Then goods will be produced for those who can pay high price. जो consumers high price pay करने के लिए ready हैं, goods वही लोग consume कर पाएंगे. Then there is another economy, that is centrally planned economy. Centrally planned economy is the economy in which central authority or the government takes decision related to the questions like what, how and for whom to produce. इस इकोनॉमी में सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी और गवर्नमेंट ही इन क्वेश्चंस के लिए डिसाइड करेगी दैट व्हाट, हाउ एंड फॉर whom to produce. Sole objective is the maximization of social welfare. Unlike the market economy, there is a objective of maximization of social welfare. What goods are to be produced? What kind of production will be there? The goods and services useful for the society. Those goods and services which are useful for the society will be produced. How these will be produced? What technology will be used? Then the technology which is socially desirable is used. For whom to be used? Mostly for the poor section of the society. The goods will be produced for the poor section of the society. So social justice is given priority over profits in the central planned economy. Next is mixed economy. Mixed economy actually is the combination of market economy and the centrally planned economy. Okay, so mixed economy दोनों का combination है, that is the mixed economy, market economy and the centrally planned economy. इस economy का objective sole objective होगा both to maximize the profit as well as the social welfare. Example of such mixed economy is India, where the objective is to maximize the profit and also the social welfare. Both market forces and central authority will decide what, how and for whom to produce. While market forces tends to maximize profits and central authority focus on social welfare. Market हमेशा उस पे focus करेगा, that is to maximize the profits. Central authority will always focus on the social welfare. Thank you. If you guys like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.